How to export contacts to Gmail account. First of all, open the app or platform where your contacts are stored, such as your phone's Contacts app, another email account, or a contact management system. Then, look for the option to export or share contacts. This option may differ depending on the platform you are using. Select the contacts you want to export or choose to export all contacts. After that, look for the option to export contacts to a file. Common file formats for exporting contacts include CSV, separated values, or vCard, virtual contact file. Save the exported file to a location on your device where you can easily access it. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. https://contacts.google.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. In the Contacts window, click on the More drop-down menu and select Import. Click on the Choose File button and navigate to the location where you saved the exported contacts file. Select the file format, CSV or vCard, of the contacts file you are importing and click Import. Once the import process is complete, Gmail will display the imported contacts in your contacts list. Review the imported contacts to ensure that all the necessary information has been transferred correctly. After importing contacts to your Gmail account, they will be synced across devices linked to that Gmail account. You can access and manage your contacts from any device connected to your Gmail account. By following these steps, you can easily export contacts to your Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.